This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kathy Day. What a gem! This lovely, one owner, split floor plan home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms with spacious open living room and kitchen area. Crown molding throughout home. Custom built lighted bookcase in living room. Kitchen features SS appliances, CORIAN countertops, pantry and snack bar. Laundry room has additional cabinetry. Master bedroom features 2 spacious walk-in closets and sliders to screened patio. Master bathroom with dual sinks, walk-in shower and separate tub. Guest bathroom with door to screened patio. New hot water heater IN 12/2024. New AC with UV system in 2023. New roof in 2022. Freshly painted exterior. Stamped driveway recently resealed. Newer ceiling fans. Home shows pride of ownership. Prepare to be impressed. Home is in flood zone. For more information, review the details below.